All right, next I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite chair flows. It incorporates a little bit of everything. We're going to work our legs, we're going to work our arms, and of course we're going to work the core. And because it works everything, I'm going to be doing lunges and pikes. I'm picking a spring tension that'll accommodate everything. So for me, I am almost 5'11" and I weigh 140 pounds. I like to have my springs set, both springs on number 3. Now if I was just doing the abdominal work, I would do a 2 and a 3, but because I'm also doing the leg work, I'm going to help myself out a little bit and do both springs on number 3. Remember, when using the chair, the higher the spring, the more support you're going to get. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with my left foot on the chair. I'm going to take the ball of my foot, not my heel, the ball of my foot. I have a little bit more control when using the ball of my foot. It goes right onto the chair. My hands are going to be here. I'm going to inhale, press the chair down. Exhale, resist it closing, finding that glute. Inhale, press down. Exhale, back up. Typically I do sets of 10. For time's sake today, I'm only going to do 5. So I've got one more here. Now I hold it halfway, still connecting to the shoulders, abdominals are tight. I pulse it here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now I'm going to go back for a lunge. I'm going to lunge and then bring the foot back up for 5. Inhale, lengthen, shoulders are out of my ears. I've got 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now I'm going to press the paddle all the way down. I'm going to bring my hand weights onto the chair. Both feet come onto the chair. Now I take one of the hand weights. I'm going to bring it behind the back of my left leg. Since I'm working the left leg, almost did the right one by mistake. I'm going to flex the foot. Shoulders are down. Abdominals are tight. I'm going to lower and lift for 5, 4. No movement in the body. The leg is working, but it's not moving the body. 3, 2, and 1. I'm going to lift it an inch higher, and from here I pulse 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then I open out to the side. I'm trying to keep my knee the same height as my hip. For 4, my heart rate is definitely getting up. 3, 2, and 1. I'm going to take that hand weight out, bring it back onto the chair. Now before I continue any more leg work, I'm going to do a little bit of abdominal work. I learned this as hamstring 3. I also call it pikes. So my shoulders go over my hands. I round my back, drawing that belly in. Inhale for nothing. Exhale for 5. Deflate those abdominals as you lift for 4, 3. I never let the paddle go all the way to the floor. 2, I have to keep my weight over my hands. Last one, I'm going to come halfway and I'm going to pulse it for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'm going to let the chair come all the way down. I'm going to shift my weights just a hair to the right so I have room for my left foot right here. My left foot comes onto the chair. I'm going to go into mountain climbers. Fingertips are touching. I hollow out those abdominals right there. Inhale and for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'm still working the left leg. Now I'm going to grow with the difficulty right here. I'm going to lift the upper body this way. Tuck it under. I've got 5. Don't forget to breathe. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now my hands are here. Upper body is a little bit higher. Still lifting from here. This left leg, it's on fire, you guys. Tuck it under for 5. Shoulders are down. 4. Notice there's no movement right here. 3, 2, and 1. Now from here, I'm going to come all the way up for 5. Slowly coming down, never letting the paddle go all the way to the floor. For 4, 3, 2, and 1. I come halfway, pause. I'm going to pulse it for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'm going to bring my hands back down. Now I'm going to stand on the left foot, cross my right foot over for snake. My right hand comes here. All of my weight is over this right side right here. Now I want to round that back, create as much of a curve I inhale for nothing. Exhale, cinch that waist, lift it up for 5. Now watch what I do with my bent leg. I come up to a little bit of a PK and then bring it back down for 4. Exhale, lift for 3, 2, and 1. I come all the way down. Now I'm going to take my right foot. It's had a little bit of a break. I'm going to reach my hands right here, connect under the shoulders, and I'm going to come up for 5, 4, 3, still breathing, 2. I'm trying to not pitch forward too much, and 1. I'm going to come halfway, pause, tuck it under for 5. Notice there's no movement here. 4, it's so hard. 3, 2, last one. Woo. All right, then I step off the chair. I'm going to keep my right foot on the chair. I'm going to start all over again, starting with the right leg. So now the right foot is on the chair. I've got my hand weights. I'm good to go.